In today's video, I'm making a rich and delicious chicken stock that's very easy and inexpensive. First, clean all your vegetables, and then in a very large pot, you want to add 1 onion cut in half. Then you're going to add garlic. I've added 2 cloves, add as much as you like. Several sprigs of thyme. Next, I add 2 stalks of celery and a whole carrot. Next, I'm adding the carcasses from 2 chickens that I baked last night. You could use 1, it would work just fine, but I had 2, so I'm putting them both in. Next, I've added a few teaspoons of salt, about a tablespoon of chicken bouillon, and about a teaspoon of black pepper. Then I covered it with water and leaving some space at the top so it wouldn't boil over. Place it on the stove and don't forget to add a couple bay leaves. Then you're going to turn it on and let it come to a boil, reduce it to simmer, and simmer for about 2 hours. Once it's done, you're going to want to strain it. I have this strainer system that I really like. Just pour everything in there and you'll be able to get all the bits of vegetable and bones and things out with that strainer. I love this strainer because I just pull it up and I have easily separated the solids from the liquids. Enjoy this stock and any of your recipes that call for chicken stock. Thanks for watching.